the sun's hanging low, throwing gold on the bay. Soft light dancing on the lake, just slipping away. I got sand on my skin and a breeze in my hair. In this little piece of heaven, there ain't no rushing anywhere. Oh, I'm Mallacoota, dreaming where the world feels so wide, with Rabbit Island smiling and a tide rolling by. It's a warm spring evening and I'm free as can be, just breathing in this wild untouched beauty by the sea. See the Howe Range, watching under clouds up high, like an old friend leaning on the edge of the sky. And out on the horizon, Gabo Island's in sight, with that pink rock glowing in the soft fading light. Oh, I'm Mallacoota, dreaming where the water meets the sand, where time flows easy like a wave on the land. In the hush of the evening, it's just the lake and me, wrapped up in the magic of this quiet melody. No crowds, no rush, no plans, just the touch of the earth and the feel of the sands. Nature humming low in a voice soft and true, singing slow, singing low, just for me and you. Now the stars start to twinkle as the day says goodbye, and the colors blend soft in that Mallacoota sky. I'm a drifting soul, lost in the sway of this timeless place where worries melt away. Yeah, I'm Mallacoota, dreaming with the lake at my feet, where the ocean whispers and the air tastes sweet. In the arms of spring's evening, I feel so free, just me and Mallacoota, as close as we can be. So if you're feeling weary, come and stay a while, where the land meets the sea and life slows to a smile. In Mallacoota arms, babe, that's where I'll be, forever dreaming by the shores of this endless gentle sea.